Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, you're highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. To my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. So today we'll be cutting a wrap top, a simple way to cut a wrap top. Here I'm measuring out my bust measurement. I'm using my bust measurement to cut it out here, as you can see. So this is it. I've cut it out. Here I'm marking my bust points. I marked my bust points here. Use my pattern ruler to make a straight line. Then my under bust line. Then the full length of the blouse, I'll be using it as my waist length. We get. So here I'm marking my back measurements. Mark my back measurement. Mark down my 1 inch shoulder slope. Then my armhole. The armhole, you'll find the middle point of the armhole. Then use to make a curve. Then go backward by 1/2 inch. If you understand what I'm saying, you go up. As you can see, just watch what I'm doing here. You go backward by 1/2 inch, make your armhole look good. Then mark your neck measurement. Here I use 3 by 3. Yes. So I'm marking my bust measurement divided by 4 with my 2-inch sewing allowance. My under bust divided by 4 and my 2-inch sewing allowance. My waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2-inch sewing allowance. Then I trace it out. Trace the shaping. As you can see, just watch carefully, you will understand. So here I'm cutting it out, blah 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 blah. I'm done here. So here you will fold in enough space. You will fold in enough space backward. Your back side, you will use it to create enough space. The center front, you use it to make enough space. This is center front. So from that center front, from the edge of that center front, you will mark your waist measurement divided by 4. You mark it out. Sorry, my camera is not getting to that side. So you mark it out. Here I've marked it out, and I'm trying to make a mark on that exact measurement. Then here you come down by 6 measurement. It depends how you want your wrap top, how you want it open. If you want it to be 2 down, you can go in by 7. If you want it to be higher, you can go. If you want it to cover your boobs, you can go in by 5. But me, I just decided to make it moderate. That's why I use 6 here. Then from there, you fold in that first measurement, that first neck measurement that you marked. You fold it in to make it straight. Just watch how I do it here. I didn't rush it. I just make it slow for everyone to understand. So as you can see, I fold it in. That curved side of the neck, I didn't allow it to show, so I fold it in to get the exact measurement that I need. So from that end of your neck weight, you trace the line meeting that waist measurement that you marked at the down side of the waist. as you can see, you traced it down to meet that point, that measurement that you marked. You see, you just trace it down, then connect your the other side to meet that same point again. That's all. So that side now will be the front side of the wrap top, while this side I used to trace up that back side, that front side will be the back side. Then you cut out. That's it. You cut out your shoulder slope too. So watch how I do it. Then you loosen it and place your wrap top. This your wrap top. Wrap top is ready. So it's just the simplest way. I saw the simplest way. I said, let me show my people this way too. It will be so helpful. So that's it. So this is the sleeve. This is the sleeve. First, I wanted the wrap top to be beautiful. I would have just used bias to tape it around, no, but I decided to use lining to turn everything around. So now I've cut out the lining. Then that's just it. So this is the sleeve. I've marked the length and the width that I want to use, as you can see here. So it depends how puffy you want yours to be, and make use of puff sleeve. So you want it more bigger, you can increase the length, you can increase the width. So mine, this is the length that I want and this is the width I needed. Then I come down by 4 inch. From the edge of that 4 inch, I traced a slopey, you know, the way we curve the sleeve thing. So I curved it down, and that's it. So from that 4 inch, then slant curve it, then cut out. So the sleeve is ready. I'll be using elastic band to hold the side. At the end side, I will give it a gather shape. So that's it. Let's go to the machine. So here we're done. This is the rope that I'll be using for the elastic, for the end side, which I use 3x3 here. 6 I use 3x3, and the length 40, depends what you want. Then just watch carefully. I connect it and sew it straight. So this is the end, the outlook, the outcome. Jesus, just 2, 3. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, like, comment and share. Please, 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 please. Thank you for always watching, and to my new subscribers, you're highly welcome. Watch out for next video. Bye.